Hi, in this video we will talk about variable annotations. In the last lecture, we have talked about function annotations, and here is the syntax. This is for the parameter, the argument annotation, and this is for the return value annotation. And this expression can be any type in Python. For example, here we can use built-in type string and integer. We can also put a string here, like a number. This is a string, and also if we use the print function to print the underscore annotations, and we can see from the result. Let's check from the result, Python this file, and you can see from the print output the annotations, the dictionary, and for x the value is a string num. Okay, so this is the function annotations. So let's go to the variable annotations. The syntax of variable annotations is very easy, just like the function argument annotation. We can use colon followed by the type of the variable to point out what kind of data structure for this variable. For example, here we defined a string type variable name and an integer variable age. Both of them have their values, but there is an exception for weight. We defined an integer weight without value, so although we can find the key in underscore annotations, but if we want to access the variable, it will trigger name error exception. Weight is not defined. So here, weight is only for annotation or type hint. If we have this annotation and then create a variable based on the name weight and do not need to do the variable annotation again. Okay, this is a variable annotation. It's very easy. If you want to get more detailed information, please try to read PEP 484 or 526. Thanks.